Welcome to Nikit Engineers, where precision meets innovation. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of our welding solutions, the linear welder. The linear welder is a versatile workhorse when it comes to welding two-wheeler crash guard mounts. It's all about the craft and the technology, not the fancy jargon. Our welders rely on the linear welder for its precision and consistent performance. We understand the importance of a secure crash guard mount. It's a matter of safety, after all. With the linear welder, you can count on smooth, strong, and dependable welds. Our engineers have designed it with attention to detail to ensure the highest quality welding without compromise. What sets the linear welder apart is its user-friendly interface. No complicated tech talks here. Just a straightforward control panel that allows to get the job done efficiently. Every weld counts, and we take pride in delivering results that speak for themselves. The linear welder is a reliable tool in our arsenal to create robust two-wheeler crash guard mounts. When safety is on the line, trust Nikit Engineers' linear welder. It's not about the marketing buzzwords, it's about delivering exceptional welding solutions. Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions India, your partner in welding excellence. Contact us today and experience the difference.